Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today's one of today's videos is a quick review video of some glasses that I've received from a company called Firmoo. I did a review for them, I think it was last year. I received some glasses that are absolutely gorgeous. So they've sent me another pair which I've chosen myself and I absolutely love them. So I will show you my glasses. Okay, so this is how they came, with in a little material bag here, with the name of the company on there, which is fabulous. So then I also have received some tiny screws and a tool in order to tighten up the frames if that does need to happen, if they come loose at any point. Also, before I start, excuse my nails, I am in the process of redoing them and I've been picking, so please don't judge me for that. So here is the case, a really good sturdy case for your glasses, absolutely amazing. And then inside here are my beautiful glasses that I received. You also get a lens cleaner as well, so that's great. Just to let you know, these do come free with all your glasses that you get, all orders. So here they are, absolutely gorgeous. So if you have your own prescription, then you can order these from this website. You just need to get your own prescription. There's a little bit of measurement involved. You have to measure just across here and just make sure that the measurements of the lens are accurate, and here as well, to make sure that they fit you better, because obviously you need them to fit well. So yeah, it's actually a very easy ordering system. These glasses that I got were $19.99. So you can see they start off pink here, as you all know, I am a big fan of pink, and then they go to like a white clear here around the bottom. So what you also get with these, you get the lenses are very thin, which is great because you don't want your glasses to be really heavy. But also they all come with anti-reflection coatings. So when you come to order your glasses, there are loads of different upgrades that you can get. You can get them as sunglasses. There's different things. Loads of different choices, different options. One of the things that you can do in this website is you can upload your picture to the website and you can actually try on the glasses, or put the glasses to your picture, so you can actually see what they look like, which I think is great. There's absolutely so many choices out there, guys. They have loads, and you can change the colour of the frames and all sorts, so they are pretty amazing. So this is what the glasses look like on me. What do you think? I really like them. They're really lightweight. They fit perfectly because I was able to measure them perfectly. They are brilliant. You can also save your previous orders that you've had. If you've ordered with them before, you can save your prescription with them, which makes it so much easier then to reorder, so you can set up your account and things like that. What I do have at the moment is a buy one get one free offer on certain lenses, or certain frames, sorry. So I will put that in the description box below for you all to check out. So also, you can also get these non-prescription. If you just want them for fashion purposes, then you can always get them non-prescription. Shipping is minimal and the delivery was super fast, guys. I cannot stress that enough. I got these so quickly, it was unbelievable, and they came really well packaged. So I hope you enjoyed my little review video of these little glasses. I will put a link to these glasses in the description box. However, I've noticed this morning that they are sold out, so I do apologise for that. But you can get similar frames to these, which is great. They will put those in the section below when you click onto the link of these lenses. But don't forget, there is a discount code, or buy one get one free code, in the description box as well, so check them out guys, they're a fabulous company. So thank you so much for watching my video guys, and I will see you in my next one. Take care. Oh, I will be uploading another video today as well. 2 videos. The video that I will be doing today will be a video that I did over the weekend, so it's a late video, and because I'm in the process of changing my nails, I do apologise for that. So I shall see you in my next video. Take care guys. Bye.